Hey guys, it's Josh here with Remax again. I am downtown again today on James Street North. I have another unit I want to show off to you guys today. We are on the same block with all the same restaurants we described in the last video. Walking distance to the Hamilton Farmers Market, walking distance to the West Harbour GO station. We got a great new unit to show off here today. It's a 980 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. It's on the 6th floor on the south side of the building. So you have a nice sized balcony facing the downtown skyline. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Come on in and check it out.